everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today I have a small haul from Born Pretty's anniversary sale. It was a couple of weeks ago, so I'm late getting this video out, but wanted to take a break from all of the Christmas and get back to a little bit of normalcy before we hit the New Year's nails and the Valentine's Day nails. The first item was a penny file. It was a flash sale during the anniversary sale. And then the next couple of items are just some random stickers that I purchased. I don't remember what the cost of them was, but I did check the website prior to making the video, and I believe all of these were still available. So I'll just put the nail sticker link in the description box. Love these nail stickers. They have a hollow shift to them, so the camera really isn't doing them any justice, but trust me, they are beautiful and they are going to be gorgeous on a nail set this spring. Alright, because I wanted to get a jump on Valentine's Day, because you know the day after Christmas is Valentine's Day nails, so I bought these black hearts just so that I'll be ready. And I also got these, I think it's called Black Love on the website. These were just some words, and it just looks like handwriting nail art. So I really like those, so I picked some of those up. I purchased was this non-stick hand extension gel in clear. Born Pretty actually sent me some pink gel, and I just had to have it in clear. When they say non-stick, it doesn't stick to your hand. It is not weird feeling, and it doesn't stick to your tools either. Okay, I'm sorry. If you get some, you know why. You just have to play in it. Next item was the one that I was most excited about, the reflective glitters. It is a set of 6. I absolutely love the colors. They are beautiful on their own as well as on top of other colors. You can use them in nail art. Like, they are so versatile. The last thing that I purchased was this set of 9 stamping polishes. Stamping polishes are more pigmented than regular nail lacquer, and they air dry. And then if you want to use another type of stamping medium, they also have stamping gels. I'm finding that I prefer the stamping polishes, but you have to work very quickly. So I just want to give a quick PSA. Y'all, I am traveling and I'm actually doing my voiceover in the car. So if you hear a baby screaming or baby videos in the background, that's the reason why. I am literally going to be traveling for the next couple of weekends, but I wanted to get some content out. So this is just how Dee does it. These colors are actually going to be so perfect for spring. I am just loving each and every one of them. They are very vibrant, very pigmented. These can also be used as regular nail polishes also, so serves a double purpose. We always like when we can use things for more than one purpose. Wanted to quickly swatch these for you. I chose 5 out of the 6 polishes, and I used a coordinating base color just so that these would show up just that much better. These are beautiful. They will not disappoint. The one thing that I had an issue with, which it wasn't even an issue at all, it's one of my quirks. I'm a touchy-feely person. The polish is very thick and grainy, but I find that with a lot of the reflective polishes, it went on smooth even though it is on the thicker side, and it did self-level out, and once you put the top coat on, you could not even tell the difference. I think this one was one of my favorites. It is like a blue black, and it will look beautiful on some as a background on Galaxy nails. I love that one. Alright, so we're a little over halfway into the video, so I did just want to quickly mention, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to give the video a like. And if you love these polishes as much as I love these polishes, leave me a comment and let me know which one was your favorite color. I'm just going to put on a little more Christmas music while I'm doing the swatches, and I'll be back when the magic happens. Alright, if you use code Deedoesit on bornpretty.com, you'll get a 10% discount. The link is in the description box below. I didn't love these in matte, but in glossy, yes. 10 out of 10 recommend all of these colors. They were all beautiful, and words can't even describe the love I have for them with the flash on. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.